Okay, just a few words from myself. I am Janet Morrison. I'm Chief Executive of Independent Age, and we are a national charity who provide advice and information to older people, their carers, and also local befriending services. We're absolutely passionate that social isolation and loneliness is a pressing social issue for older people that we must be seen to address, involving older people themselves in the solution. And we think that loneliness matters for a number of reasons. It matters because social connections, our own friendships, the people that we meet, our families, are essential to all of us for the quality of our lives. And that's just as true for you or I as it is for older people themselves. Loneliness also matters because it has a great bearing on health and well-being. There is a direct correlation, a proven correlation, between mental health and physical health and on life expectancy. And that therefore suggests that downstream there are broader social costs to us as a society if we don't actually seek to prevent the loneliness when we can. It also matters, loneliness and social isolation matters, because it affects our family ties and our community ties, which are so essential to all of us. And it also matters very importantly, and perhaps most importantly, that if we isolate older people, we don't take advantage of their passions, their interests, their expertise, and their vitality in our communities. And I would suggest to you a rich and healthy society is one in which we enable everyone to contribute and take part. So it's one of the challenges that the campaign has always faced, is to attach your concern to a hook about loneliness, but also to recognise that older people contribute so much and should be able to continue to do so. So we mustn't make it into a pitiable issue, but an issue about enabling. We're here today to not just talk about the impacts, but actually, as the Minister said, to talk about solutions. And those solutions need to happen at every level, whether that is about us as individuals, as family members, as friends, as carers, whether it's about us as part of a community or a neighbourhood, whether it's about us, whether charity, local government or other agencies providing services or commissioning services. Solutions need to be found at every level of government, in politics and in our society. So we're here today not to say one solution, but to look for many, many solutions. And we hope to hear from you later to start this dialogue and this debate about how we can reduce loneliness amongst older people.